Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to add group in a community on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to add groups in a community on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to add groups in a community on WhatsApp. So today I'm going to show you how to add groups in a community on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding groups in a community on WhatsApp is quite simple. First of all, you have to do is open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing community button at the top left corner. Click on it. Now select your community. At the bottom, you are seeing add groups. Click on it. From here, you can simply add groups by pressing add existing groups, or you can create a new group as well. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add groups in a community on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.